Let's do an example problem about multiple allele traits. Remember, this is when there are multiple alleles for a single genotype, which also implies there's going to be multiple phenotypes or physical characteristics for that one gene. In rabbits, there are multiple alleles for a single gene for their coat color. This table describes all of the alleles. You can see the most dominant allele is all the way here to the left, while the most recessive allele is all the way here to the right. So the more dominant alleles will always be the phenotype when they're matched up with the more recessive alleles. The question here asks, show the cross between a chinchilla light rabbit and a full black rabbit if both parents also have an albino allele. So what that means is we're crossing a full black rabbit here with a chinchilla light rabbit here, but both parents have an allele that's albino. So our two genotypes are going to be for the full black rabbit, big C, little c, but for the chinchilla light rabbit, it's going to be little c, CL, C. Remember that this allele in both genotypes, the first one here is going to be the dominant or the more dominant allele, which is going to produce the phenotype in the rabbit. So the first thing we have to do is make our Punnett square. Then we place the parents on the tops and on the sides, and then we bring the alleles down and into each box. Now looking at the offspring, we have to tell what type of fur they're going to produce. So these top two are going to produce the full black color since that big C is in their genotype. Remember, as long as they have one big C here in their genotype, it's going to be full black. So that means 50% of the offspring will have that full black fur. There won't be any chinchilla dark phenotypes because we didn't start out with any chinchilla dark phenotypes. 25%, or this square right here, will produce the chinchilla light phenotype. That's again because the more dominant allele in this genotype is the chinchilla light. Again, we won't have any Himalayan because there wasn't any Himalayan to start with. And 25% of the time, you're going to get the albino since the two recessive alleles are going to combine in this genotype.